Ay, maayong gabi inyong tanan. Good evening to everyone. You know, I've been doing drama all my life. In real life, and also in front of the camera. Kaya nagulat ako, of all things, I'm receiving an award for comedy. But, kaya, I mean, you know, siguro nakakatawa talaga ako. So, thank you so much. But, ayan, tumatawa na. But deep inside, it makes me very happy to make you guys happy. So, keep on laughing and don't forget that life is beautiful. And thank you so much, Guillermo. Sobrang